Everyone, in today's video, we will fix the Logitech MX Master 3S not showing up in the Bluetooth window. So here is how you can easily fix the problem. The step 1 is to ensure the mouse is in a pairing mode. So you can firstly check that the mouse is turned on. To check, you can toggle this button on, and then after you can check the lights are turned on your mouse. Then after, to turn your mouse in a pairing mode, you can firstly select the user, which user you want to connect, like 2 or 3. So I am choosing second user, and now long press the pairing button until your mouse turns into pairing mode. Here you will see now my mouse is turns into pairing mode because the light are blinking. Then after, you can open the Bluetooth of your Windows. Bluetooth, click on add device, and now click on Bluetooth. Now here it will found your device. Then tap on it to connect. Okay. And then once the connection is stabilized, you can easily use your mouse. Here you will see. Okay. So here is how you can easily connect it. So if still you are facing the issue, now you can firstly restart your Windows and then reconnect. So to restart the Windows, you can close all the applications, click on Windows, click on power button, and then click on restart. And after restart, you can again follow the pairing process again. So if still you are facing, now at the last, you can update the driver and the software. So you can open your browser. Then once the browser will be open, here you can type Logi software, Logi option plus. Then after, the installation page will be open. Now select it for your Windows. Tap on it. After that, wait. In your download, the exe file will be available. Double tap on it to install the exe file. Or if the file is already installed, you can again double tap on it to update the software version. Then give them permission. Now here you will option to reinstall the software. Once the software will be installed, you can click on reinstall option plus. Then after, it will update your software. And after updation, you can again try to pair it again. Okay, so these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.